Today, we're going to take a look at how to bring a dazzling, pulsating sun to life in Adobe Animate, completely within the software. To begin, let's start a new project. Open Adobe Animate and select a suitable format, like Full HD or your desired dimensions. Next, navigate to the File menu and choose New. Select ActionScript 30 or HTML5. Canvas is the project type depending on your needs. The key is to have a project that lets you use shapes and animations, then click Create. Now, let's draw our sun. Grab the oval tool from the toolbar on the left with your fill color set to yellow or your desired warm color, and make sure you have no stroke color selected. Draw a large circle on the stage, representing the main body of the sun. Next, on the timeline panel, let's organize our work. Double-click on the default layer, name Layer 1 and rename it to Sun. Then, select the entire sun shape. After this, we'll convert our sun into a symbol. Go to Modify and select Convert to Symbol. A dialog box will pop up. In the name field, you can again type sun or whatever you wish, and choose Movie Clip as the type, and click OK. Now, let's add the animation. On your timeline, right-click on frame 20, or a frame where you'd like to begin, and insert a keyframe. Then, click and drag the sun to scale up. Go back to the first keyframe by dragging the playhead to the first frame. Right-click on the timeline between the two and select Create Classic Tween. Next, test your animation by pressing Ctrl-Enter or Ctrl-Return. This creates a cool pulsating effect. For a more interesting effect, in the Library panel, double-click the sun symbol to enter its editing mode. In the timeline of the sun symbol, insert a keyframe at frame 10. On the first keyframe, set the brightness of the sun, and then on the 10th keyframe you can change the hue, saturation of the sun from within the Properties panel. Play around with the colors, create a classic tween to add the dynamic movement. And there you have it, you've successfully created a pulsating sun effect. Experiment with other colors, shapes, and animation techniques. This easy effect can add a lot of energy to your project.